I'm going to be using is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Now, like I said, I have so many palettes, but I really want to use this one because I got it and I never used it. I know, I'm bad. Like, I will buy all this makeup and then I'll have, like, spurts of wanting to do my makeup and then spurts of, like, I don't want to touch it at all. ColourPop, as you know, is my favorite brand. And they're always coming out with new palettes, like, almost weekly. However, I think this is the last... No, that's a lie. The Elsa and Anna palette were the last palettes I bought from them. But before that, I believe it was this palette. And this is the Lilac You a lot. Now, if you have watched me for years, like, purple eyeshadow has been, like, one of my favorite go-tos because I believe it, like, makes my eyes pop. Now, I have blue eyes, so, yeah. That also makes brown eyes pop and whatever. But I don't know, I just I like how purple goes against my, eye color. I just like how it looks. So, this is what the palette looks like. It's a whole bunch of, like, lavender, well, lilacs, obviously. So we're gonna go into this palette. I'm not really sure. I mean, you can go any way with this palette, to be honest. So I think to start off with, I'm going to put Imagine That. It's this color right here. It's more of like a gray toned lavender fluffy brushes, and it's from Bestowed as usual. I actually just cleaned a lot of my brushes, so be proud of that. Anyways, that's gonna go in my crease. And what you're gonna do is just like put down a foundation. Coastal Scents face brush. This is what I'm going to do is take this purple right here, and it's called Filtered. And I'm just going to deepen up that crease color, like a violet color, I would guess you would say. And we're basically going to go over that Imagine That color, but I mean, I usually go over with the first initial color anyway to blend it all out. And I'm just taking any skin tone color, again using that Naked Basics like knockoff palette. I'm just using that shade right there, and you can take any brush you so feel like it. I'm just gonna take another Bestowed brush. The only thing that I don't like about these brushes is they don't have names, but I mean, it's not a deal breaker. For my lid, I'm gonna use the color Fluff. It looks like that. It's the middle one. It's like one of the shimmers. This looks like it has kind of like a goldy shimmer or goldy like sparkle to it. I don't know, it looks really pretty, and I'm really hoping it transfers well onto my lid, especially because I have that white base down. It's the e.l.f. concealer brush, but I find that this works amazing to pack soft shadows. Like, if you can tell, it's not moussey, it's just like a soft pressed shadow, I guess. So that's just gonna go on the lid where the white is. That's so pretty. I just decided to go ahead and do my brows off camera because I mean, like, it's not like anything crazy like I see other like beauty girls do, but I mean, it is time consuming. So now I'm gonna do the inner corner, and there are a few shades in this palette that are actually really pretty for like an inner corner, but I think I'm going to go with this color. It's called Trainwreck. It's so pretty. It's like a silvery purple color. Looks like that. Like, there's a shift to it too. So pretty. And I'm just gonna take this Coastal Scents brush. it's, I guess, a pencil brush if you want to call it that. And I'm just gonna put that on the inner corners. Now I will end up reapplying it because it will get brushed away, but I really like that. And I don't know if it's a lighting or what, but my eyes are looking very green today. Usually they're like kind of like a grayish blue. They're not a true blue. My sister has true blue eyes, but I don't know, they're looking kind of green. Anyways, oh wow, I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. Like I understand that ColourPop is like a really good brand, but a lot of the times like these light eyeliners are not pigmented in the waterline, and holy crap, just, you know, wing it. So I'm just gonna use the NYX That's the Point one. It's just the one that looks like a Sharpie Conceal, Correct, and Contour palette. It's cream. I'm only probably gonna be using like a few shades out of it, but it was $1. And this is in the shade Light, which I was actually surprised that I was able to get light. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, I already kind of like played around with it, but I didn't like fully use it yet. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and this is the lightest concealer shade, I think. And this looks like it has, yeah, it's the lightest concealer shade. And I'm just gonna go to town on my dark circles. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Wild Volume Plus mascara. So now I guess we'll put some shadow underneath the eyes. I'll just go in with that same palette. And I was going with this chunky e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. I'm going to start with the filtered color again, and that's just going to go on the outer corner. You could either do a nude or you could just do a purple, and I think I'm going to go in with Scorpio. It's just a purple with like blue glitter flecks. I don't know. These, and this is Wet Wild. This is from the Zodiac like line they have. Oh, you hear my stomach? This is super pigmented, so I don't know. I kind of like the purple with the purple eyes. Like I said, you can go nude if you want to, but I don't know. I really like this. So this has been my look. I guess it turned into a tutorial, but like also a get ready with me or whatever. I guess just playing in makeup. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and also if you want to check me out on TikTok, everything, all my information is going to be in the description box below. Yeah, and let me know if you like these type of videos. I will talk to you later. Bye.